Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp. And today we are visiting Boynton, and it looks like we're going to get the perfect example of the Boynton wobble. I'm going to be honest, I can't even tell you which dock he's aiming for right now. I mean, he is all over the place. Well, now I can tell you what dock he's aiming for, but that can't be where he's really trying to go. And so we're going to try and set up on this other ramp, go a little 4x4 off the dock, and he's got it all messed up. They're going to have to reset this one and try again. So it looks like we're even going to pick a different ramp this time, which is probably a good decision. Now you've got all three lanes basically to do your thing. And I got a feeling he's going to use every last inch of that. My man is struggling. This is one of those ones that's hard to watch. You really just want to walk down there and take the reins from him. No, there's no way you want to go for that one, bro. You do not have the skills to come on the single lane. You just need to take all three lanes and try and get it straightened out on this one. And he finally wisely decides that's the best plan, because that is the best course of action for him here. At least you've got all three lanes. I mean, he can do a Boynton wobble the whole way down if he would like, but trying to line up on the single lane on the end was not going to be something he was going to have a high probability of success of landing. But it looks good right here. He may have gotten it figured out a little bit. Always letting the excitement get the best of him. The trailer's coming in a little bit sideways, but it is in the water. We do have some success from that. So our guy's going to try and flag his friends down and come down and assess the situation a little bit. So he's trying to wave his friends over, but to load any ski on this trailer, it's going to have to be moved. So he does see that it's a little bit sideways, and he's going to try and get it pulled over. And they'll have a little success on this one. He gets it a little bit straightened out enough where they can definitely get loaded up now. Alright, so after hanging out and waiting for a few minutes, it appears our ski is here and ready to roll. Let's see if this crew has a little more success loading this thing than they did backing this trailer down. And it looks like we're going to miss on our line. Unless maybe they're trying to put it on the dock first, but I don't believe that was the intent. And nope, I could tell from here that was definitely not the intent. So we've missed on the first attempt completely. Which I can't say much because they kind of missed on the first attempt at backing this trailer down as well when they were trying to put it on the other ramp. But heck, we all got to start somewhere. I'm just guessing this is probably this crew's first time out here. Oh, no, don't spray the guy on the dock. Oh, I was waiting for that one, especially when people aren't familiar with the skis maybe so much. They forget that rooster tail's back there, and people wind up getting soaked all the time. I see fights around the docks all the time about that. So here we go with a second attempt. And they're trying to get it back in line. They missed a little bit. It kind of came off, but it looks like, yep, she's going to get it up there this time. And this crew is trying to get this off, but they're really struggling. This wind is really messing with them. And for whatever reason, they can't seem to get it off the trailer. They're pulling, but it's not coming. Something's got to be hooked still. For whatever, I mean, they're pulling pretty good and just not getting anywhere with this thing. Oh. They're yelling at him. Yep, something's hooked. It doesn't, he never took the bow eye off. So they're yelling at him because he's starting to pull out, but the bow eye is still hooked to the front of the boat. I'm a little surprised, especially with the weather forecast we have right now. It is busy down here, but look at these flags on the back of this boat. The wind and current is absolutely ripping today, and usually when we see that down here, things tend to calm down just a little bit. I mean, we're right near Boynton Inlet, and nobody's probably really going out the inlet today. And our guy, he doesn't really get much of a choice of dock. Every dock's actually got people on it, including the one he's going into, but oh man, he's drifted over the rocks here at Boynton. And I don't think they realize their motor's trimmed out. He can't get any bite from the prop. And it's kind of put him into a little bit of a situation, but the stern of this vessel is going to be pushed into the dock by the wind and current, but somebody's going to probably have to get off and give him a kick off the stern to try and get this thing pushed back around. And Wifey's doing it. She's got a mid-cleat line too, so she's actually pretty prepared right here. And it looks like she's going to be able to get this one successfully over, but they just didn't have it down enough, so I just don't think they realized it. They just had no bite from the prop, and it kind of got them into trouble. And here we go. We got another party crew rolling in here at Boynton, and these guys probably just left Beer Can Island. And most places have a Beer Can Island, it feels like, and Boynton's no different. It's actually not that far at all from the boat ramp, so we get quite a bit of these kind of party crews coming in. And here we go for the toss, and we got the catch. Guys decided to give one of the other people here on the dock a frosty beverage. And things are getting a little wild down here at the end of the day. It's busy again, and here comes another party crew. Boynton's trying to turn up today. I kind of get the feeling like I'm at 79th a little bit, but Boynton's definitely showing out. And these guys are all heading in, getting off of Beer Can Island, and about to call it a day. And speaking of calling it a day, we're going to call it a day as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.